So far we've taken a look at two different ways of getting the dye onto the fabric: stirring it into the pot or submerging it completely underneath the fluid. But what if we just want to dye a small piece? Here I've pre-mixed the dye with all the chemicals in, and I just want to dye the bottom piece of this cloth across the pattern. So I'm just going to lower it into the fluid and clamp it to the side of the bucket. This way it can stand safely overnight without falling in completely, and it will give the reaction time to happen.